Good day. The last video that we did was the if then statement. That was the last video. What we did, we showed you how to use the if then statement in Excel. Now this video we're gonna explore the sum if statement. That is SUMIF. So let's begin. We're gonna put in some description. We're gonna have years. We're gonna have amount, and so let's put in the years. We're in the year 2020, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2020, 2019, 2018, and 2020. So we're just going to put in some random amounts. Let's say 780, 560, 230, 140, 170, 230, 260. We have 230. Let's change this to 210. Okay, now we're going to enter our statement. Now we're going to put 220 here. And let's enter our formula. Now we're going to say equal sum if open bracket. Now we're going to put in the range. That is the period that we would like to sum for. So the period is the years. Then we put in a comma. Remember, you have to put in a comma after you put in each section. Next, we're going to put in the criteria. The criteria is that specific year that we would like to pull all the sum from. So we want to choose an year from this section and sum this section. So the criteria would be that. And next, we're going to put in the sum range. That is the range that we would like to sum for. So let's put in the sum range. And remember, open and close bracket. Remember our commas and our open bracket. And now we're going to close the bracket. We're going to enter. So basically what this is saying is that for 2020, the total sum is 180. 1,180. So if we should change this to say 2019, the figure would change to 730 because 790 here. 2019 here. So these two figures, 560 and 170, would add up to 730. All right. So we can say, all right, we can change the year and put 2019. It goes to 960. We can say 2018. 2018 is two figures, is one figure. So we can just say 2018 here. And it changed. So basically, let's run back over the formula. First, we put in equal. Then we put in sum if. Then we put in the range. The range is the years. Then we put in the criteria. The criteria is the period that we would like to sum for. Then we put in the sum range. The sum range is the amount. And remember, open bracket, close bracket, and the different commas. Okay? Beautiful. Thank you.